Hi everyone, my name is Jim Forte. I'm the VP of Engineering here at Pecos. So just looking at the current status of our wind turbine, we had previously installed the structural components, the bed plate and rear frame, and earlier this week we installed some of the main components of the drivetrain, the main shaft, the main bearings, and the gearbox. The most recent installations are the torque arms on either side of the gearbox, which prevent the gearbox from rotating when we're producing energy, and they also distribute that reaction load evenly among each side of the gearbox. We also installed the yaw drive, which yaws the machine or turns it into the wind, and the yaw housings. We also installed a drainage system for the oil. We adjusted the yaw housings and the yaw drive to set the backlash or the spacing of the gears to within specification. And we also installed more components to the drivetrain, which are the generator frame here and the generator itself. And we began installing the high-speed shaft coupling, which connects the generator to the gearbox by shrinking one of the hubs onto the generator, and one of the next steps is to install the rest of that coupling.